All right, I took a bath in a washing machine. I took a bath in the washing machine. I took a bath in the washing machine so I could get myself really clean. Oh, I took a bath in the washing machine. All right, now everybody, we got to put in that soap, right? So grab your soap, pour it in. That's what we're gonna do. Say, I put in soap, up came the sun. I put in the soap, up came the suds. They washed out the dirt, they washed out the mud. Oh, I took a bath in the washing machine. All right, everybody start spinning so we can get clean. And say, the washing machine is washing me clean. That's right, the washing machine, well, it's washing me clean. It washed out the soap, it washed out the mud. Oh, I took a bath in the washing machine. All right, now what we gotta do is we gotta change all the buttons and put it on our spin cycle because, oh, it was just then that it started to spin. It was just then that it started to spin. And then I knew the trouble I was in. Oh, I took a bath in the washing machine. The washing machine, is washing me clean. The washing machine, is washing me clean. Oh, the washing machine is washing me clean. It's going faster. The washing machine is washing me clean. Whew. I hope my mom doesn't put me in the dryer.